All right, Makana, to solve these equations with the fractions in them, I think the best way to approach it is to clear the fractions out. And what we do to make that happen is we find first the LCD, the lowest common denominator for all of the fractions in our equation. And in this case, since we got a 15 and a 5, 15 goes into 15 once and 5 goes into 15 three times, so 15 is going to be our LCD. So what I'm going to do with that LCD is I'm going to take it, I'm going to multiply it times each of my terms in my equation. So I'm going to come over here to the 2 over 15x term, I'm going to multiply by 15 there. I'm going to come over here to the middle term, I'm going to multiply by another 15 there. And then on the other side of the equation, to keep things balanced, I have to multiply by 15 over there as well. So we need to multiply by every single term to keep things balanced. And this, as long as we pick the LCD correctly, this is going to make all of our fractions go away. So like this 15 on the bottom and this 15 on the top in this first term are just going to cancel. So all that's going to be left there is 2x. Okay, in the middle term here, the 5 is going to go into 15 three times, so negative 1 times 3 is negative 3, and on the other side, 1 times 15 is 15, and we've got our new equation, much easier to deal with, no more fractions, and so that's what we're going to solve. So to do that, I'm going to work towards getting the x by itself, so I'll add 3 to both sides, divide, and we've got it. Okay, so that's kind of the process that I would recommend going with on these problems where you've got fractions, find the LCD, as long as it's an equation, multiply each term in the equation by that LCD, clear those fractions out, and you should have an equation that's a little more manageable at that point. So hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if anything's unclear or if you have any other questions.